What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this video. I did some super cute kinky twists, so if you want to see how I achieved this look, just keep watching. Okay, so first things first, I need to give a disclaimer. I did not wash my hair before this. I do not recommend you styling, your hair without washing it, but I did not wash mine. The reason I did not wash it was because I didn't feel like it, and also because I had braids in prior to this, not like all over my head, but there was a specific style that I had in. And so with that style, I had 3 braids in the front. Well, not 3 braids, but I had 3 braids on each side in the front, so 6 braids. So my hair was pretty much parted how I needed it to be parted for this. I'll show you in just a minute. So I am using Shine and Jam. I am on the lookout for a new product to use for my braids, but this is what I'm using for this video. So this is what I meant by my hair was pretty much already parted how I wanted it to be parted. So I was like, I'm not gonna wash it. I'm not gonna do anything. I really didn't even feel like doing my hair like this. Like, when I tell y'all, like, depression is something else. It really is. But I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna, just tough it out. And the more you move and do things and just like, the more you're on the go, like, the easier it is to kind of deal with. So here I'm making my little parts, and I'm putting some of the Shine and Jam on them so that I can make the parts more crisp, and then I'm gonna put a rubber band on each part. So please ignore all the product buildup on my scalp, but as you can see, I was trying to stagger the parts just a little bit. It didn't work out as well as I wanted to, because I just didn't, I don't know, I think it was just because of how I was doing it. It was like I wanted to stagger them, but also I was like, I could care less, like I just wanted just a little bit of character in those parts, but it wasn't like necessary, like it wasn't imperative for me to have that. So I was like, it's whatever. So now I'm just gonna finish up these off camera, and now here I am back. This is later on that day. I had to run to the store and get some more hair, so I am using Bobbi Boss Kinky hair. It's the Lock and Twist Bobbi Boss, and I used a 1B, and I can't remember the name of the color of the other hair, the name for the color of the look, whatever. It was burgundy hair, y'all. I cannot remember the numbers. I think it was J something, but not even important. So now we're going to get into the nitty gritty. Like, we are gonna get to these twists and we're just gonna do it. So So we're starting with the black hair. Please ignore this first part. I don't know what was going on. I was beside myself. Just pretend like you don't see that. So yeah, we're starting with the black hair. This first one is basically like a test just to see how it's looking, if I'm liking it, what I need to change. I initially did only want shoulder length kinky twists, and I decided to just not cut the hair and to just go with it, and it ended up being super duper long. After about maybe 3 or 4 twists, I was like, what am I doing? But I was like, forget it, just go with it. And they turned out super cute, so I'm glad I stuck with it. But yeah, so again, this first one is basically just a little test run. So I did start the kinky twist off with a little braid, but then after only about an inch or so, I just twisted the rest of the way down. Y'all see how long this twist is? Like, I was so over it already. Like, I was just like, this was a bad idea, but it actually wasn't. It was a good idea. I needed this, and again, it turned out super cute. So, you know, you just gotta trust the process sometimes and just go with the flow. So I was really loving this pop of color. Like, the burgundy really just set it off, and plus it's almost Valentine's Day, so like, why not? It's just so cute to me. I was loving it. So this is how the first couple of twists are looking. Y'all, I was too hyped. They were so cute. Oh my goodness, they were so cute. So I was like, yeah, I definitely have to finish. Like, I'm excited now. So now I'm just gonna show up close exactly how I do the twist. So I'm making a loop around my finger, and then I'm just going to put it on the hook. I'm gonna close the hook and pull it through, and then I'm gonna pull one side of the hair through, and that's it. That's literally it. And then I'm gonna tighten up the little rubber band part and start my braid. It's really simple. Like, so simple. You just have to make sure that the crochet needle is in the right spot, but it's super simple, super easy to do, which is why I love being able to do my own hair. Like, it can all be so simple. So here I am taking a much needed break to eat. Y'all, look at that. Look at that. I was so excited. Please ignore how I'm chomping on these fries, but I was so hungry, y'all. And this was so good. This was exactly what I needed. Okay, so back to the hair. It was starting to get late, so I was like, it's fine. I'm just gonna get a couple of hours and I'm going to reconvene in the morning. So here it is, morning time. I'm looking like a little mushroom, trying to put on my sweatpants and figure my life out real quick so I can finally get these twists done. Like, I was so tired. Like, look at my face. I was so tired. Oh my goodness, I look so bad. But well, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So it's basically all just repetitive at this point, you know. Do the part, put the little shining gem on there, get the crochet needle, pull the hair through, start with the braid, twist all the way down, look bored for a couple hours, you know. It's just same thing over and over again. So yeah, that is pretty much the gist of this video. The rest of it's just going to be showing you how it progresses and then how I finish up at the end. So at this point, the look was definitely coming together. Like, I was seeing the vision. I was like, it was so worth it. I'm so glad I did this. And yeah, I was just like, this is definitely gonna be super, super cute. And the more I did it, the more excited I got. Even though I was super tired and I had a lot to do, it was a lot. But so worth it. So worth it. You definitely need to try this out for yourself. Okay, so we are pretty much done here. Well, except for that one twist that I forgot I had to do. So I'm going to go ahead and do that one off camera. And then I'm going to take about 6 sections of the twists and I'm going to braid them. And I'm going to put one of my small blue perm rods on the ends. I think I had about 6 braids when I was done. And I've got some hot water boiling. I'm going to dip my ends in the hot water. Then I'm going to take off the perm rod, undo the braids, dry it off with a towel, and then y'all will see how cute it looks at the end. I am so excited. But yes, y'all, if y'all do kinky twists or braids, please do not forget to seal your ends with hot water. Do not forget that. Very important. You do not want your hair unraveling. Not cute. Okay, so here I have just dipped my ends, and I am, by the way, be careful because the water will be super hot. I did burn myself quite a few times. Even after you dry it with the towel and you start to take out the braids or twists or whatever you do, the water will drip and it can still be hot, so be very careful. So I'm just undoing all of those braids and twists, and then I'm going to continue to dry my hair a bit with the towel. So as you can see, it is looking super cute and I am so excited. Now I'm just gonna go through with my scissors and clip off any like straggly ends that look a little crazy and all that, and just make sure that it's even and just super cute how I like it. Again, please ignore that little part in the front on that front twist. Again, I was supposed to redo that and I just said, forget it, it's fine, I don't care. But I am loving these. They look so good. They turned out even better than I thought they would, and like 10 out of 10 recommend. Like, please try this. This is such a super cute style. It is pretty time consuming, but you know, they were long, so the longer they are, the more time it takes, but they were super cute anyways. So yes, let me know what you guys think about this style, if you would try it, if you have tried it, and just how that process went for you. By the way, if you are feeling this makeup look, I do have a video on the way for that, so you can see how I achieved this super cute soft glam date night look. Also, this was about a week or so after having the twists in. As you can see, they still look cute. A little fuzzy at the roots, but you know, that's normal. Still super cute. But thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. I appreciate all the support. I know I haven't been super consistent, but just thank you so much again, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.